I believe these are the kind they had in the hotel. So this is the fan, Hunter Low Profile. So the fan I believe they had in all of the hotel rooms before they remodeled. I'm not for sure, I'd have to look it up, but yeah. But thankfully I think these are cooler than the ones that are currently in the hotel rooms. I think these are much cooler. So thankfully they still have the ones here, but yeah. Yeah, they haven't really remodeled the space much, or any of the other laundry rooms, but yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, rate, and subscribe.